Hello everyone and welcome to PA Academy. So in this video I'm going to be taking you step by step how to draw a regular pentagon when given the length of one side. So when we talk about a regular pentagon, that means it has 5 sides. So you are going to be having something like this. And since it's a regular pentagon, all the sides are going to be equal. And in this video I said in a situation whereby we have been given the length of one side, so we are going to be taking the length of one of the sides to be 5 centimeters. So let's say one of the 5 side is given to be 5 centimeters. So that means you are going to draw a pentagon whereby all the side will also be 5 centimeters. So before we get into this video, if you are new to PA Academy or you are yet to subscribe, please click on subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. It's absolutely free. So just click on the subscribe button and the little bell icon beside the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. Alright, so thank you very much if you have just done that. So the subscribe button is just below. If you are yet to, just click on it. It's absolutely free to subscribe. Alright, so thank you very much. So now let's get into this video. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be drawing a line. So the line of 5 centimeters, since that's what we're working with. So I'll measure 5 centimeters. So this right here is a line of 5 centimeters. So what I'm going to do again is I'm going to extend it to the left by maybe another 5 centimeters or more. So let me call this point from point AB. So this point AB represents one side of the pentagon. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick my compass and measure it to the length of the side, which is 5 centimeters. So this is it. I already have my compass to 5 centimeters. So I'll place it on point A. And from point A, I'm going to draw a semicircle. So a semicircle, I'm going to be having something like this. So I hope it's clear. Let me go over it again so that you can see it clearly. So this is the semicircle. Now this semicircle, I'm going to divide it into 5 equal parts because I'm dealing with pentagon. Pentagon is 5 sides, so I'll divide it into 5 equal parts. So in doing this, I'll bring in my protractor. And remember that this semicircle is 180 degrees. So to get the angles apart, I'm going to be having 180 degrees divided by 5. So 180 divided by 5 will give us 36 degrees. So that means we are going to divide in 5 places at interval of 36 degrees. So in doing that, I place my protractor on this line from point A. Pay note that from point A. So I'm going to be noting it 36 degrees. So 36 degrees will be here. So another 36 degrees will be 72. So that will be here. So I'll just keep adding 36 to it. So another 36 is 108. So another one is 144. Then 180. So that means I have this point 1, 2, 3, 4. No, this is 4, and then 5. So from point A, I'll draw a line that will pass through point 2 to touch the semicircle. So I'm making it thick because this represents one part of the pentagon. If you look at it from 13 to 18, that is 5 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is. So we already have 2 sides of the pentagon. The next thing we're going to do, we are going to bring in our compass again, and we are going to bisect these 2 lines so that we can get the center of the pentagon. So you bring your compass and set it to 5 centimeters. So mine is still on 5 centimeters. So I'm going to bisect line AB. So in bisecting a line, this is how you go about it. You draw an arc at the top and below. So the point of intersection, you are going to draw a line. So what we've done to this line AB, we are going to repeat the same thing. Okay, let me make it more bold so that you can see it. Alright, so on this line also, I'm going to do the same thing. So from their point of intersection, so I'll draw a line. Now note where this bisector are intersect, their point of intersection, this is it. This is where they intercept. So that point, I'm going to call it point O. Point O. So having no point O, I'll bring my compass again, place it on point O and adjust it to point A. So having adjusted to point A, I'm going to draw a circle. A circle is what I'm having here. Now I'll measure 5 centimeters, which is the length of the sides. You know, when I adjust my compass from point O to point A, that's changed my my compass from 5 centimeters. So I'll bring it back to 5 centimeters. Now from point B, I'll draw an arc on the circumference of the circle. On that point also, I'm going to draw an arc on the circumference of the circle. So those points where I'm having those arcs on the circumference of the circle, I'm going to join them like this. So I'm going to join this to point B. For this, join it here, and then the last side I'll join it to this other side. So with this now we already have our pentagon with the sides. So let me just call this point C, D, and then point E. So we have our pentagon A, B, C, D, and E with a side of 5 centimeters each. So if you are working with different lengths, maybe you are not working with 5 centimeters, it's the same step. Just follow the step I've done in the course of this video. You are going to be having that will be giving you your pentagon with the same side. So when you are giving the length of one side. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to still subscribe, please click on subscribe button. And if you want to know how to draw other pentagon when giving the length of the side of one side, just check the description of this video. I'm going to show you how to do that of others polygon also. So with that, guys, that's the end of this video, and I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.